So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you run this, you're going to type in gp update space / force and then click on enter. Now for the second command, you want to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. So guys, for the next step, I'm going to leave 2 links down below. First, we're going to head over to the VC runtime 140 link. Now once you run this, you want to scroll down until we find the downloads. So you want to download the version for your architecture. So you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. Now once you're on this, next to system type, it will tell you where your architecture is. So for me, I'm on 64-bit. So I'm going to download the 64-bit one. It's going to start downloading automatically. Now once it's downloaded, I'm going to head over into my downloads folder. And then I have it right here. You want to double click on the zip file. And then you want to find the DL file. You want to right click on it, click on copy. And then you want to click on this PC, click on your C drive, click on Windows, scroll down until you find sysfile64. You want to paste that file into here. So right click on paste, continue. That's the first one done. Now you want to head over to the second link, which I'll leave down below. We're going to scroll down again. And then you want to choose the file for your correct architecture. So for me on 64-bit, I'm going to download this one. Now once it's been downloaded, we're going to head over to our downloads folder. And then we're going to open this up. You want to copy the DLL file again. Head over to this PC, C drive, Windows, scroll down, sysfile64, right click, and then paste it. Continue. There we go. Now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in chkdsk space /f space /r and click on enter. Then you want to type in Y, which means yes, and then click on enter. Now you want to restart your computer, and then this scan should run as it's restarting, and then that should fix the problem.